Hi guys, so this is a video just kind of talking about one of the problems I had with my Ryobi 40 volt battery powered lawnmower. I was having problems with it starting and stay started. Basically, you would turn it on, go for a little while, and then it would cut out. So this is just kind of the couple of things I did to it. So one of the problems is right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little hole there. Right in there. There used to be a switch, a round switch. This switch right here. And basically what it did was this button would depress when this part of the mower, when the handle was folded up in that position, this would push down and it'd be right in here. And basically this switch sucks. So what I did was I took this part off. I took the switch out from the hole right there. But inside of here, there's two wires. And I just took a butt connector and connected them both together and then put them back in. To do that, these are the screws that you got to take off. You got to take all those off. There's two screws on the other side of this handle here. There's a screw there. Two up front, right here and right here. There's one right there, and then one right here and one right there. Take all those off, the whole thing lifts up, and then at that point you can get underneath here, connect them together. And I just simply used these butt connectors here, looped one side of the wire on either side of those, and connected it through. That eliminates this safety switch. So originally it's so that this lawnmower won't turn on if the handle is in place, but that eliminates that safety altogether. That's one of the problem areas. The other problem area is this right here. So normally you would need to hold this down and hit that button right here to start the mower, and if you let go of this, it's a safety feature. It only will run if this safety is down. Unfortunately, the switches they use that are inside this plastic thing here are very cheap, and I was losing connection on the bumper switch that is actually located right inside right here, inside of this plastic that turns this on and on. So as I was going down the yard to mow, they would cut in and out. So what I did was I took this piece apart here, and I took the switch that goes to this button to start it and the switch that goes to this button to start it. I went to Tractor Supply and got a on-off switch, just a simple toggle that replaced this switch here that operated the safety. And I got a momentary button switch, which, if y'all can see that, it just pops on and off. And now, so instead of holding this down, these two things here and here do absolutely nothing. Now all you have to do to turn it on, get it off of my cord there. To turn it on now, there's no safeties. This safety has been removed. This safety has been removed. So all you have to do is toggle on, hit the button, and it turns on. Turn it off there, and there you go. Ever since I did that, I've had zero power issues with it. It completely eliminated any of the issues. So basically these switches that they used are cheap and they don't work very well. And that has caused most of, if not all of the problem. Since doing that, I haven't had any issues. I'm trying to see if I still have the other switch that I can show you what it looks like. I thought I threw it in here, maybe I didn't. No. So apparently I didn't. Yeah, I don't have it anymore. But basically it's just a simple on-off switch that goes inside of here. Like I said, they use really cheap connectors, and that seems to be the problem. Once I did both of these things, I haven't had a single issue since. So hopefully this helps you guys that are having problems with this mower. This is the best battery mower I've ever had. It's, in all fairness, the only battery mower I've owned, but I've used my friend's Cobalt before. I like this one better. It's just the only downfall it has is, like I said, those cheap electrical connections. But if you go to a setup like this, which, you know, is pretty fail-safe, with some sturdy connectors, I don't think you'll have any issues. So that's simply how I fixed it. Of course, I also made a little diamond plate panel for it. You don't necessarily have to do that. Originally, I had it drilled just directly into this plastic piece, but I just did that to make things easier. If you want to take this off, there's screws right here, 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 all along there, and then right there and there. And all that comes apart. All the wires are inside of this. It's real simple. So hopefully that'll help you guys out if you own one of these mowers. And like and I don't do a whole lot of videos, so if you want to like and subscribe, you can. Most of my content is off-roading and stuff like that. So there you go.